poet, Joe Agu.
Thank you, Peter, and thank you all for coming. The instruments you will see here today are indigenous to different ethnic groups in Nigeria. For a quarter of a century, Rhythms has been demonstrating that for Africa to achieve its own goal in technological advancement, they have to embrace the use of modern tools and equipments. But first, African countries must reach a consensus that the continent is in crisis and should accept national responsibility and begin to do something about it. The quest in manufacturing African drums and percussions led me to form a mindset of developing instruments based on artistic wisdom of the ancient people. African music is one of the greatest gifts to the world, and it is important that the diaspora develop a mindset of excellence, work ethics, and standardization is a path to follow. I have made it a point in my talks and presentations to invoke the creative values the ancient Africans left for mankind. Through instrument making, Rhythms promotes, encourage, and incorporating indigenous technology and engineering. So I invented the one with the drum head. So we have a patent on that.